To find out what brake pads suit your motorcycle best, first you'll need to confirm its exact model so that you get the correct part number and fitment. Next, consider the type of motorcycle you ride and what you use it for. Once you've determined that, you'll be able to figure out what Bendix Moto brake pad offering you'll need to ride safely and with confidence. Bendix Moto Ultimate Plus brake pads are for bikes that constantly deal with the daily grind. Thanks to their high friction ceramic formulation, they offer low dust and low noise, making for comfortable day-to-day riding whilst offering high brake fade resistance for spirited riding. Bendix Moto Street Road Track brake pads utilise a sintered formulation and are more suited to bikes that mainly see high-speed riding applications. Whether it's long stretches of open road or laps around the track, Bendix Moto SRT brake pads deliver consistently high braking performance whilst offering low fade, low wear and high friction. Once you've determined exactly what brake pad you need, all that's left to do is head to your nearest Supercheap auto store or visit www.bendixmoto.com.au.
Bendix Moto. Ride with confidence.